Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of x multiplied by tan y plus we do first derivative of tan y multiplied by x. Later that we do first derivative of y multiplied by tan x. Later that we do first derivative of tan x multiplied by y. So first derivative of x we have 1. First derivative of this one we have first derivative of y secant of y squared. This one we have first derivative of y. This one we have secant of x squared. Next, we have first derivative of y. We can do about factorization. And we put this one go to the left, so we have negative tan x. This one we put on the right. And we have negative tan y. Later that we divide both sides by this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.